Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us for today's webinar. With this business webinar series, we are presenting to you a great learning experience at the comfort of convenience of your office. In the pursuit of better understanding, we decide to reach out to all our customers and then help them explore the benefits of unless the true potential of TallyGraph. This is our knowledge series where you will get to learn topic by topic everything around TallyGraph, from the most basic of future to the most crucial of business reports. My name is Mohammed Azhar, and I work with Mass Financial Consulting in Riyadh, and I will be your host for this session. With me, Ms. Vidya will be taking through a TallyGraph. She is involved in the product development. She used to work with the customers in understanding their requirement and introduce new feature in TallyGraph for the past 5 years. Before getting started, to ensure a flavorless experience, all the participants will remain mute throughout this session to avoid any noise and disturbance. Please be informed that we are recording in this session as to we make the webinar available for future reference and will be shared through our YouTube channel. We hope to have an uninterrupted session. If you any network or technical glitches, I apologize in advance. We will try our best to make this experience seamless. If you have any question during the presentation, please type them in the question box on your control panel. We'll bring them up during the Q&A at the end. Now, let me hand over the session to Ms. Vidya.
Thank you, Azhar. Hi, good morning to all. This is Vidya from TallyGraph. So, TallyGraph is basically a business intelligence tool. So, in TallyGraph, what we are doing is, on top of Tally, we are providing TallyGraph as an add-on solution. So, here we are going to install one separate exe file in your Tally server machine so that it will sync the reports from Tally to TallyGraph. And from TallyGraph, you can see all those things as a dashboards and reports as a graphical form and also as a report summary. This is what we are doing in the TallyGraph. These are the key problems which are facing by the business owners and the CEOs. So they can't access the Tally easily, and also always the decision makers will be on the traveling, and you'll be having a multiple business, multiple locations and multiple users, and all the data will be sitting in the Tally. So it will end up with a multiple Excel sheets. So these are the key problems which are facing by the business owners and the CEOs. TallyGraph for digital CEOs. So using TallyGraph, you can track your sales, purchase, outstanding, and also we are providing a personalized dashboard for CEOs. You can profile your customers, and also we are providing a business specific custom apps to make the decisions smart. These are the TallyGraph solutions. So the TallyGraph will run on mobile and also on web. You can see for the multiple financial years, multiple companies you can sync, and multiple users you can use, and it is compatible with Tally ERP and also Prime. You can see the MIS report, role-based user access is available, and custom apps also available. We are using a secured Amazon AWS server, encrypted with AES 256, authorized user access, alerts for data sync, daily backup automated, and it is a simple onboarding process. Live chat, email, and phone support is available. These are the top dashboards and reports. We have 40 plus dashboards and 50 plus reports. So in that, these are the top dashboards and reports which we are having. CEO dashboard, CFO, purchase, accounts, expenses, outstanding, sales register, purchase register, bills receivables, payables, balance sheet, P&L, cash flow summary. So these are the top dashboards and reports we are having. It is a simple onboarding process. Just we are going to install one separate API, and we are configuring it with Tally using the host name and port number, and we are syncing the data from Tally to TallyGraph. So I will go to this session. This is the look of TallyGraph. If if you're having a multiple companies in Tally, you can add all the companies and you can see all the companies data one by one. And we have 4 different segments: dashboards, analyze, apps, and reports. In the dashboard, we have 7 different dashboards where you can see all the data are separate, like expenses, sales, purchase, everything is separate. You can provide a separate login to each of your departments. For example, for sales team, you can provide sales dashboard alone. For purchase team, purchase alone. So like that, you can give the user privileges. In the dashboard, you can select a particular company and you can see the particular company's details here as a graph. Whereas in the analyze, this is for the consolidated companies. For example, I'm going to data analyze. Here you can see all the companies' consolidated sales as a report. Here we have a different kinds of fields. You can select and drag and drop to the rows and columns and you can apply here. So here we have 2 companies. So 2 companies consolidated sales you can see. If you want to see month wise, just drag and drop and you can see month wise report. And if you want to see product wise, you can see product wise reports. And each field has a filter options. You can select the filter. You can see the particular products sales performance on monthly basis. That you can create your own report and you can save it here. So whenever you open the TallyGraph, you can see the saved reports. You can export these reports in Excel or PDF as well. So likewise, same like a debtor analyze, we have a creditor analyze where you can see purchase, consolidated purchase, profit and loss analyze, bills receivables, and outstanding. These 5 analysis is for the consolidated companies, whereas sales, purchase, product, daybook, and ledger analyze. These analyze is for the single company. Same data, but it is available for the single company and consolidated company. That will be available in the analyze. If you take apps, these are the custom apps we have created according to the customer requirement. For example, if you take a profit and loss, here you can see month-wise profit and loss as a graph and also as a report. So sales account, cost of sales, gross margin, profit or loss, everything you can see as a graph. And here will be the analysis. Detailed profit and loss analysis you can see for all the months. You can show or hide the months here. You can export in Excel or PDF. It's available in the profit and loss. Here you can select the years like this month, previous financial year, previous calendar year. Like that, you can select the options here. These are the reports available in the analyze. I'll just go one by one. First, I will complete the overview. These are the reports. So everything we have: sales, purchase, inventory, accounts, financial statement, statutory, and exception report. Everything is it will be like same like Tally. For example, I'm taking a sales register. It will be like a sales report. Sales report as a summary, and you can export. If you click here, you can see the items here. So like this, you can see and you can export. And like that, the summary will be available in the reports. I will start from first. First is CEO dashboard. Here you can see the complete activity of a company, total sales, receipt, purchase, and payment. Here is the net and gross button where you can see with and without taxes of all the data. And here is an options to select this month, this week, or custom date is available. Select and you can see the reports. Month-wise, sales versus purchase. Here is the top highlights. So here you can see the last sync date along with the time. So from that time, you can see what is the lost entries like lost sales, lost receipt. Like that, you can see the top highlights here. Twice cash and bank balance. Receivables and payables. Ratio analysis. Gross profit and net profit. Everything will be available like a overview. So if you click this purchase report, it will be directly routed to the report where you can see the purchase report as a summary. Like sales report, you can see the purchase report as well. You can export. is available here. Next is CFO. Now is the complete cash flow details like cash in, cash out, and net flow. And here also there is an option to select. All the dashboards you can export as PDF as well. Cash in and cash out month-wise. And here is your cash flow statement, detailed cash flow statement, detailed cash in and detailed cash out. All the months. You can select the months here. You can see the cash flow statement. I can export. Available here. And here is the overall cash inflow and outflow for overall financial or calendar year. Available in the CFO dashboard. Next is accounting. Accounting, you can see total sales, purchase, expenses, receipt, on-time receipt, late receipt, on-time paid, and late paid. You can see it here. You can select the months and years. Month-wise, sales, receipt versus expenses. Here is the overall receipt along with the status. Overall payments along with the status. You can export. All the tables you can export in Excel or PDF. These are the features available in accounting. The next is expenses. Here you can see total expenses this month, and most spending. Here is the monthly expenses. Expenses breakdown, year-wise and group-wise. Expense analysis. So group-wise expenses you can see for all the months. See, you can export. So this is available in the expense dashboard. This is sales. Sales dashboard, we have two filter options. First is you can select the dates here, days, month, week, you can select here. Next filter is ledger group, ledger, sales voucher, sales ledger, cost center, cost category, or state. Whatever you require, you can select and you can see the reports. Total sales, total invoices, trending product, and top customers. Here is the sales performance. So you can see it for daily, monthly, weekly, and yearly. Here is the sales vouchers, sales ledger. So here you can see the top 10 customers, top products, product-wise and group-wise. Both are available. Overall customers and sales amount, overall product quantity and sales amount. Is the invoice performance, like total invoices and their status, like on time paid, late paid, not due, and overdue. Is the invoices and their status. So you can see not due, partially paid, paid, all the details you can see it here, and you can export. Same like sales, we have for purchase as well. In the purchase, you can see the vendor details and monthly purchase performance. Everything same like that. Same like sales. This you can see for recent invoices, everything you can see same like sales. Next is outstanding. Here you can see the overview of outstanding, like overall outstanding, overdue customer, and more due customer. Here you can select the ledger group, tab debtors, as breakdown, outstanding report. So this is the overview. And if you want to see bill-wise, age-wise details, just click on it and it will be directly routed to the reports. Here you can see total receivables, not due, overdue, next 15 days, next 16 to 30 days. Everything you can see. Select the ledger groups. So top 10 customer, wise performance. And here is the aging summary. So in the aging summary, you can select the aging frequencies here. You can select the parties here. You can see the outstanding amount. So here is the party wise. If you want to see bill wise, to aging details, here you can see date wise, invoice wise, party name, pending amount, due date, and overdue days. Here you can select the overdue days. You can select the parties here. Months. You can select as per your requirement and can export. This is available in the outstanding. Same like outstanding, payables are also available. Here you can see the overall outstanding in the payables, overdue vendors, top credit, breakdown, payables report. So like receivables, we have for payables also, for bills, bill-wise and invoice details also available. These are the details available in the dashboards, and analyze we have already seen it. Next is apps. The apps we have two performance dashboard. One is product, another one is customer performance. Product performance. Here we have two filter options. One is this month, this week, and another is ledger group, ledger, sales voucher, cost center, cost category, and product. So if you select any product, you can see month-wise sales performance of that particular product. So you can see the top products, total sales, and top customers. Go down, you can see month-wise sales performance of that particular product. And active and inactive products is there. It is based on the invoices. Select the days here. You can see the inactive products. Go down, you can see the customer analysis. That product was purchased by these customers on monthly basis. Quantity and amount. Both you can select and ship. Here is the show or hide ones. You can select, you can export. Same like product performance, we have customer performance. There you can select any particular customer and you can see the month-wise sales performance. Same like product we have here. Customers. So this month-wise performance, products performance, that customers have purchased these products on monthly basis. Active and inactive customers. Also you can select the days. Here is the product analysis. You can see and you can export. This is available. The next is inventory dashboard. Here you can select any particular product group. You can see opening value, inward, outward, and closing value. Here is the top 20 products, inward and outward quantity, inward and outward value. Here is the stock summary. Category wise, product wise, inward, outward, and closing value. You can see and export. So you can switch off the zero value item as well. This is available in the inventory dashboard. Next is salesman performance. We have salesman performance and outstanding dashboard. For this, what we are doing is we will provide one separate TDL so that you can import it in your Tally machine and you can loop each customer with a salesperson name so that you can see this dashboard. This dashboard also we have two options. One is this filter option and another is here you can select. If some customers were using the salesman name in the cost center, that is also fine. Either you can select the cost center or you can select the salesperson. So you can select and you can shift the month-wise sales performance of the salespersons, of each salespersons. So here you can see total sales, top salespersons, and top customers. Here is the sales trend, month-wise sales performance of each salesperson. Admin can see all the salesperson's performance, whereas you can provide a separate login to each of your salespersons where they can see their own performance and their own outstanding. This is also available. Salespersons and growth trend compared to the previous month, person share for overall financial or calendar year. This is the customer analysis. So you can select the salespersons here and you can see and month-wise sales. That is available here. Same like performance, we have outstanding as well. In the outstanding, you can see device and bill wise for each salesperson. So aging frequencies you can select here. Bill wise is also available. And you can, if you select any particular salesman, you can see that salesperson's outstanding. You can select the months also. This is available in the salesperson outstanding. Next is customer and product. Here you can select the options here like custom date, this month, this week, and also you can select the companies here. So here we have selected 2 companies. So 2 companies, overall revenue, segment wise performance, and the products performance, and material wise performance. You can see this is the customer and the products, their performance. This you can see it. The customers also here. Select the products. Region-wise sales is there. So while you are entering the invoices, it will take directly from the invoice. So region-wise sales. Each regions. Print. Customer analysis. Those are available. And we have several dashboards like center, cost center-wise sales, sales book, inventory report, invoice performance. Invoice performance means invoice-wise you can see the status. This is total invoices and their status. You can select the sales vouchers, the months, the years. Here is the customer-wise. So customer-wise invoices and their status. So ABC Limited, 5 invoices and their status. Total sales, last sales, and receipt. Everything you can see for customer-wise. And here is the invoice-wise. Invoice, this is the invoice number, and invoice-wise amount. Balance. Everything you can see it here. Same like invoice performance, we have purchase performance as well. And the finance dashboard is there. So here you can see the total revenue, total expenses, receipt, net profit, receivables, more than 60 days, due more than 61 to 90 days. Here is the monthly revenue. Otherwise, you can see this is the net sales, monthly collections, the receipt. Monthly profit and loss analysis, monthly expenses, and expense analysis. These are the details available in the finance dashboard. In this, we have many dashboards here. In the reports, if you take in the inventory, we have everything, every dashboard, every report, same like Tally. In the stock summary, you can see all the details like particulars, closing balance, everything you can see. Like group wise, you can select and check. Go down wise also you can see. All the reports will be available like stock summary with profit, running balance, inwards, outwards, everything you can see available here. And if you take in the financial dashboard, the profit and loss statement is available. This will be like same like Tally. Detailed profit and loss, balance sheet, everything will be same like that. So these reports will be like a summary. The dashboards will be graphical form. Analyze is like a report. You can create your own report for all the consolidated companies that is available in the Analyze. These are the custom apps. Salesperson, profit and loss, product, everything you can see as a graphical. These are the features available in the TallyGraph. If you have any questions? Okay. Finance dashboard, revenue, gross profit, net profit, cash balance, bank balance, inventory, receivables and payables, expenses. Yeah, everything it is available in the finance dashboard. The finance dashboard. In the finance dashboard, you can see all the reports. So revenue, collection, profit and loss, the expenses. You can see it in the finance dashboard. Column 8 is available. Payables is available as a separate dashboard, and bills payables also we are having as a detailed aging summary. Everything we have. So in the financial dashboard, we don't have the payables, only the receivables, only the expenses, profit and loss, revenue and collection. That's only one. Okay, fine. Okay, I will check with the team and I will ask them to check for the payables and also gross profit. Note down your query. Sir, actually, so everything we have a separate dashboard, sir. So inventory also we have a separate dashboard. Detailed inventory reports is there, and inventory dashboard and inventory report, everything is available here as a separate dashboard, sir. So actually, this financial dashboard is only we have done for only for the revenue and the collection parts. Take here is the inventory report, and the other one is inventory dashboard is also available. So if you check here, month wise, you can see the inventory reports here. That is available separately. Like report wise also available and dashboard wise also available. So that is not available in the financial dashboard. Okay, so fine. I will check that also. Asking gross profit, payables, and stocks should be available in the financial dashboard. Okay, I note it. Any other questions? Okay, I will hand over the call to Azar. Azar, sir?
Okay, madam. Now that we have covered the topic and address your question as well, it is time for us to wrap up. Thank you again for joining us today, and we wish you a great business year ahead. See you on the next one, inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you.